We're gonna do skincare. I got this mirror that I literally made. Isn't it pretty? Yeah, anyways, so I'm just gonna do a bit of skincare. Let's do some perfume, Sephora. There we go. Now let's do some lips. Okay. I made these three. So let's. What is that? You are completely freaking out. Shoot! Get out of my window. Get out of my room. Get out. What is it doing in my room? Mom? Yes? Hello? When you said about the surprise, was it a bird? It looks like it's a budgie. Yeah. It looks like right now a budgie. So, you could have told me. I'm freaking out right now, Mom. Okay, bye. Turns out it's not my budgie. What should I name it? Comment down below what should I name this guy. So cute. Well, I don't even know what gender you are. He's a bit blue, like his bum is blue and so is his tail. Are you rainbow? You look rainbow. Should I call your name now? Cute. Anyways, I might not do any more skincare.